Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. Today we will start revision work from civics portion. In the last two videos we have completed revision work of history, only exercises. First of all we will revise only exercises, okay, and then after lastly we will discuss about question answer. Okay beta, so let's start our revision work from in civics we have only two chapter 28 and 29. Okay, so uh, prepare all the exercises from chapter 28 and 29. So let's start our revision work from fill in the blanks. Okay, is it clear? See here from chapter 28, fill in the blanks from chapter 28. First one, a person who has attained the age of dash can vote in a municipal election. Option is given 21, but in exam I am not going to give you option. You have to fill yourself. Okay beta? So 21, 18, 25. Which one is correct? 18. Here I have written 18. Okay. Now second one. A municipal corporation is also known as dash. Two options are given here. Nagar Nigam and Nagar Palika. Which one is correct? Nagar Nigam. Okay. Third one. In case dirty water has spread out on the road, we can approach the dash. Two options are given here, sanitary inspector or education officer. Obviously, sanitary inspector. Okay. In this chapter we have only 3 fill-ups. Now next move towards chapter 29 for fill in the blanks. Okay. So first fill in the blanks from chapter 9 and chapter 29. First one, an executive engineer is in charge of what? Public Works Department. Is it clear? बेटा इसकी स्पेलिंग आप थॉरोली प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा, स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग नहीं होनी चाहिए. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? सेकेंड वन, द हेड ऑफ द पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट इन अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज, कौन हेड होता है? सुपरिटेंडेंट. आप इसकी स्पेलिंग तो बहुत कायदे से प्रिपेयर करिएगा. बहुत बच्चे क्या करते हैं, टी गायब कर देते हैं, ई एन गायब कर देते हैं, डायरेक्ट डी ई एन टी से स्टार्ट एंड करते हैं. तो आप स्पेलिंग बहुत थॉरोली प्रिपेयर कीजिएगा, बुक के साथ बैठिएगा और इसको वीडियो वॉच करते समय जैसा कि पहले भी मैंने बताया हुआ है कि सारे जो एक्सरसाइजेस हैं उसको मैच कर लीजिएगा. कहीं छूट गया होगा या कहीं कुछ रॉन्ग हो गया होगा तो फिर से मैच करके बेटा आप सारा कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. ठीक. सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस. ओके. थर्ड वन, there are dash states and dash union territories in the Indian Union. How many? 28 states and 9 union territories. Clear हो गया बेटा? Yes. Fourth, the head of a district in India is that is deputy commissioner. इसकी भी स्पेलिंग थॉरोली प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. ओके. नाउ कम्स टूवर्ड्स सेकंड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज ट्रू फॉल्स. ओके. ट्रू फॉल्स फ्रॉम चैप्टर 28. सी हियर. 1. Municipal committees are meant for big cities. What? False. Second, a municipal corporation has a mayor as its head. True. Third, a municipality has more powers than a corporation. True. Okay. Now next move towards chapter 29 for true false. So here's your true false. Number 1, the district collector heads the police department. False. Okay. Next, at the village level, the Lekhpal maintains the land records. But true. Okay. Third, man and woman are kept in the same jails. False. Last one, the court of the sessions judge is the highest court of justice in a district. That is true. Okay. Now moves towards next question, that is match the following. Okay. Only one match the following in this civics portion. Okay. Not in 28, only in chapter 29 you have a match the following. Okay, so prepare it thoroughly. Okay, so match the following. District collector B1 means highest officer of our district. Second, executive engineer, that is head of the public works. D, match it with D. And third one, district education officer, match it with E, education department. Fourth, patwari, match it with A, keeps records of the village land. And last one, superintendent of police, match it with C, highest police officer of a district. Okay, now last question, that is tick the correct answer. Go through chapter 28. First one, a municipal corporation is an body. Three options are given here. First option, elected. B option, chosen. C option, appointed. Which option is true? A. Okay. Second one, developing parks, zoos and museums are dash functions of a municipality. Option A, essential. Option B, voluntary. Option C, compulsory. Which option is true? B. Which one? Voluntary. The dash presides over the meetings and looks after the work of the corporation. Which option is true? A option, chief engineer. B option, overseer. C option, mayor. Which one is correct? C, that is mayor. So let's move towards chapter 29 for tick the correct answer. Yes. 1. India is divided into dash. Option is given here. 28 states and 6 union territories. 28 states and 9 union territories. C. 27 states and 7 union territories. Which one is correct? B. That is 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay. Now move towards second question. For efficient revenue administration, each district is divided into a number of, number 1 option, tahsils. Second option, states. Third option, stations. Which option is true? Tahsils. A. Okay. Now next one. PWD means option A, Public Welfare Department. Option B, Police Welfare Department. Option C, Public Works Department. Which option is true? C. Okay. Public Works Department. Last, at the village level, dash maintains the land records. Option 1, Lekhpal oblique Patwari. Option B, Tahsildar. Option C, Collector. Which option is true? A, means Lekhpal and Patwari. Okay. And after this we will discuss about question answer. Okay. You prepare all question answer from your copy. Okay. So here's your homework. Write down homework beta. Prepare all exercises from chapter 28 and 29. Is it clear, beta? Here's homework. Prepare all exercises from chapter 28 and 29. Okay. So today only this much. Thank you.